Hello there everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, I will teach you on how to remove consonants in a given string in JavaScript programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, supporters, silent viewers, fan and subscribers in my channel for always watching my videos, for your support. I would like to shout out Sir Ernil, Marshmallows, Ma'am Robelin, and Sir Daven. If you want to be shout out in my channel, just leave your name and then shout out. If you are new with my channel and then you like these tutorial videos, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. So we have here title, remove consonants in a string in JavaScript, and then we have a text box and button, remove consonant string. So let's say I will type a word here. Let's say technology. So when I press this remove constant string button, it will display only the vowels. Another example, let's say data structure. So it will display only the vowels here. Now let us go with the code, So we have here HTML header 2, remove consonants in a string in JavaScript, style, body, font family Arial, string type text JavaScript, and then we have here function remove underscore consonant str, var string document get element by id rev consonants dot value. This one can be found in our text box here, rev consonants. So str array split is str.splint for var x equals 0, x less than str length plus plus, and then we have here lowercase, convert to the lowercase the character. We have here for the vowels now, and then we have here for the consonant leave it blank, alert to display the result, and then return and join here, and then we have here a text box, and then the button here, and then calling the function remove underscore consonant rev consonants. I will put a link in the video description guys, so that you can download the complete source code in my two websites for free. Okay, let us go back to our program. Another example, social sciences. When I click this remove consonant string, it will display here only the vowels. Last example, history of computers. So it will display only the vowels from the word history of computers. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to remove consonants in a given string in JavaScript programming language. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.